The Apple AirPods 4 bring a refined listening experience with a comfortable open-ear design, powerful audio performance, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Powered by Apple's advanced H2 chip, these wireless earbuds deliver clearer sound, improved voice quality, and more efficient power management than previous generations. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, the audio remains crisp, balanced, and immersive. One of the standout features is Personalized Spatial audio, which creates a theater-like surround sound experience by adapting audio based on the shape of your ears. This makes movies, games, and supported music tracks feel more engaging and realistic. The AirPods 4 also feature enhanced voice isolation technology, helping your voice sound clearer during calls, even in noisy environments. For everyday use, Apple has improved comfort with a redesigned, ergonomic shape that fits securely, while remaining lightweight for extended listening sessions. The earbuds are sweat and water-resistant, making them a solid choice for workouts, commuting, and outdoor activities. Setup is incredibly simple for iPhone users with instant pairing and automatic switching between compatible Apple devices. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 30 hours of total listening time when combined with the compact USB-C charging case. The case provides convenient charging and better compatibility with modern Apple devices and accessories. Overall, the Apple AirPods 4 are an excellent choice for iPhone users seeking premium sound quality, advanced audio features, long battery life, and the effortless user experience that Apple products are known for. They deliver a balanced mix of convenience, performance, and reliability for everyday listening.